Domain flipping involves buying or creating a domain name with the intention of reselling it for a profit. A domain name is basically the name of a website, like youtube.com or pizza.com. Pizza.com was sold for $2.6 million, yet, it was bought by a guy, Chris Clark, who purchased it for only $20. While it's only a small group of people who get lucky enough to sell domains for millions of dollars, there are many people who flip domains daily for a modest profit. No results are guaranteed, but any adult can give it a go. Here's a general overview of how you can get started. Step 1. Find a suitable domain name to buy, or create and register a domain name yourself. When buying a domain name, you can find expired ones on websites like expireddomains.net, domcop.com and justdrop.com. We'll include links to all of these in the video description box below. Depending on when you're watching this video, there are probably new or different expired domain websites around, so just Google expired domain names list. A suitable domain generally has the following characteristics. It's .com. It's short, usually less than 3 words. It's memorable and instantly recognizable. It preferably doesn't have any dashes or underscores. And it contains a keyword that is popular and well known, or will be. If you're creating a domain name yourself to register, consider trending or emerging topics, fads, industries, technologies, services and products. Step 2. Check what your domain name might be worth. You can get your domain name evaluated before purchasing it, on sites like GoDaddy. We've got links to the evaluation websites below, as well as instructions on how to get your domain name evaluated. Keep in mind, good domain names get snapped up lightning fast. So if you think you're onto a winner, buy it before someone else does. Indeed, there are individuals, groups and companies that solely dedicate their time to domain flipping, which is why promising domains get bought so quickly. But as we've seen, individuals can and do get lucky, so why can't you? Step 3. If your domain is available, register it with a reputable domain registrar. A domain registrar is a company that allows you to buy and manage domain names. If you've found or created a promising domain name that hasn't already been purchased, register it fast. There are hundreds of registrars around the world, so who do you choose? When choosing a registrar, consider factors like registration fees, renewal costs, and ease of use. We have links to trusted domain registrars in the video description box below. 4. Sell your domain. Now to the fun part. There are a few ways you can sell your domain name. You can list it on specific platforms that specialize in selling domains like Sedo, Afternic, Flipper or even eBay. We have links to these platforms below. However, you can also reach out directly to businesses who may be interested. But, if you've got a domain name like thenextvodka.com which sold for $3 million, or business.com which sold for a cool $350 million, you'll probably want to use a domain broker, who can reach out to key decision makers and negotiate a price on your behalf. We've included links to domain brokers below. Once you sell your domain name, your domain registrar will handle the domain transfer process. Some final important points. Even with a lot of research, domain flipping can be risky. There's no guarantee you'll sell your domain for a profit, or at all, and the market can be competitive. It's not without cost either. If you choose to purchase a number of domains, the renewal fees will add up. Also, be mindful of legal aspects, and ensure the domain name doesn't infringe on trademarks or copyrights. With all that being said, always keep in mind that individuals can and do sell domain names for a profit. And sometimes earn jackpot amounts. Individuals find various ranges of success with domain flipping, and we hope that one day you will too. If you found this video interesting, please consider hitting the like, subscribe and notification button. And, we'll see you in the next video.